Ladies and gentlemen, your referee, Joel Ojeda, calls a stop to this fight. 1 minute, 56 seconds into the second round, declaring your winner by knockout, Muin Гафуров.
It's 18-4 for this guy.
10th, excuse me, knockout victory. A successful LFA debut. And the bantamweight division is officially on high alert. Гафуров is now standing by with Alan Joban.
Texas, I'm here with Muin Гафурov, winner by knockout. How's that feel right now, man?
Salam alaikum, Muhammad Texas.
Salam alaikum, Texas.
Hey, the first thing he says is Salam alaikum, Texas. Thanks for the support.
Muin, you came into this fight. Neither one of you have ever been finished in your fight. Sosa has never been knocked out. Did you feel that you had the ability to knock him out in this fight?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to switch over right now. I was hoping there was a fight or two left.
I've been telling everyone that there's gonna be a surprise inside the octagon, and they saw it. The Tajiks are #1.
You didn't tell us much in a fighter interview. We asked you a lot. You said you wanted to show us your handiwork. You did just that. Before this fight, you had an opportunity, Dana White Contender Series. You said you had an appendix removed. You wanted to take advantage of the opportunity. You didn't get to show how good you were. What's next for you, man, after a show like
yeah, the power
this?
patch.
What do you want to do next? Stay here, fight for gold in the LFA?
I'm trying to work on a power patch right now.
Where can we see you next?
که پیش همی جنگ ما در اینترویو در گونچی نگفتست نبودی و با جنگ همون دانه و کنتندر هم سنت نرفته هم باید دودی تی چی گفتنی میخواه همجا چی اثبات کردنی من در جا میگو که برای همه دیدم وست تاجیکستان و وست اگنزتو نه که محترم روشو جنگ کردن نتونستم نه که من این روز زد کردم که همه 60 کیلو LFA UFC همه ایزیه پرمه. Okay, everyone saw and everyone knew what was wrong with me before that fight. I had an appendix surgery, I had it removed. But tonight, I show what I am in the 61 kilogram, 135 bantamweight. No one is my match.
Muin, go and enjoy this victory, man. Beautiful performance.
Magufanim Bahama, Hazor Ahmad Kalon Tendro, the Kazi Team Hakiv. Fight Club Sigo. وحضور عماتي كلام ده we are the finest. I can't find fast collective. I want to thank everyone. I want to thank my team in Tajikistan, Team Khakilov. I want to thank Kaizen MMA, everyone in here. And I want to say a special shout out to my sponsor, DMD Auto. Thank you so much, I can't face.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together.